In this video, we will show what to do when the monitor is not reacting properly or not reacting as you would expect. When the monitor can't be turned on, check if the monitor is receiving power. The green light on the top shows when it does. When the monitor doesn't receive power, check if the power adapter is plugged in both the monitor and the socket. The adapter shows a blue light when it is receiving power. If the adapter is not receiving power, check if the socket is off or if it is broken. If you don't get a proper measurement, a technical alarm could show you what the issue could be. More details about each sensor could be found in the separate videos, like how to properly attach them to the patient. When the monitor is reacting slowly or not responding properly, you can restart the monitor by shutting down the monitor and turning it on again. If the monitor is not responding at all, you need to hold the on/off button for 5 seconds. On release, the monitor should turn off. Wait for a couple of seconds to turn it on again. If you can't solve the issue, please contact the champion or maintenance team of the hospital. They can do more extensive troubleshooting. Issues can also be reported to us, so that we can help resolve it.